Chandler's mother was beaten half to death in a home invasion last week. He was granted compassion leave. Before he left Saudi Arabia, he was given $250,000 to drop off an address in Los Angeles. If he did so, they wouldn't go back and finish the job on his only child. Easy target. Anyway, we got a tip from a local, and Chandler agreed to work with us. On his way to the drop, somebody took a shot at him. Kid panics, tries to get back to his mother in West Virginia, and as far as DC.
Not just a dead Marine.
No, we think it's has to do with an arms trade deal that we're working with over there. I want you to liaise with them. Pick an agent to go with you.
San Diego.
Los Angeles, OSP.
Is she still the agent in charge?
You got a problem?
No, but she might.
You're on the same team. Work it out.